What I'm showing in this video is the global bucket holder kit for the John Deere loader that does not have self-leveling. This bucket holder kit is designed to fit on the John Deere 740 loader without self-leveling, and it is designed to match up perfectly with any global, some people call it Euro, style attachment. So this is latching in to the Euro style holder pieces on the attachment, whether that's a bucket, a hay fork, or any other type of attachment. And this bucket holder is also designed so that it matches perfectly with the global standards that are set by the industries. And so any attachment, whether it's John Deere or whatever manufacturer it is that abides by the same global, also called Euro, standards, will fit perfectly with this bucket holder. Included with the bucket holder kit is what we call one of the linkages, which is pinned in. That's on both sides. That comes pre-assembled. And then also included with the kit are the other linkages and the pins as well, which of course you assemble once you receive it, as they are attaching directly to your existing John Deere 740 loader. Now this one is specifically designed for the 740 that does not have self-leveling. We have another bucket holder kit designed for the one with self-leveling as well. These handles activate the pins, which hold the attachment in place. What's unique about this bucket holder is that it's not adapting an existing bucket holder to the Euro or global style. What it's doing is it's completely replacing the bucket holder. And so what's nice about this kit is you don't have to deal with the problem of the Euro bucket holder adapter piece, which tends to be about 8 inches out, which can cause you to not be able to lift as much. What this one does is it's lifting the attachment, whether it's your pallet forks or your bucket or your hay fork, it's lifting it in the same way as the bucket holder that you're replacing with equal amount of leverage.